finding the arc length of arc AB, which arc AB, it's always the shortest route between A and B when you're going around the outer edge of the circle. So we're finding the arc length of AB. So the arc length of AB. And to find that, you put the arc, which is the part of the circumference, over the entire circumference. So the entire circumference, the formula, since I'm given the radius, would be 2 pi r. And 6 is the radius. So this is a part of the circumference over the whole circumference, is equal to the part of the circle over the whole circle in terms of degrees. This is how you're finding like what portion of the circumference you want. So you put the angle, the central angle here, which is 120, over a complete circle, which would be 360. So I know that I'm finding this part of the circumference. So to do this, you can, put x for the arc here, and you can cross multiply it as is. But it's easier math if you can reduce the fraction on the right. I know that 120 is a third of 360, so 1/3 is what that can reduce to be. The arc is what I'm finding, and then 2 pi times 6 is 12 pi. So if I didn't have a calculator, this would really help me out as far as keeping the numbers small for doing the calculating. So 3 times x, just cross multiplying, 12 pi times 1, divide by 3 to get x alone. X is 4 pi. Since the radius is feet, and this is part of the circumference, it's 4 pi feet. If you were using your calculator, you probably would have put pi into the calculator. This would be 12.57 inches. Or sorry, feet, not inches, feet. 12.57 feet. And that would be the arc length for this particular problem. So let's see another one. We've got another sample here doing the same thing. The arc length for AB over the entire circumference, which is 2 pi r. That's part of the circumference over the whole circumference. The part of the circle, which is 45 degrees, over the whole circle, which is 360 degrees. Well, that is 1/8 of a circle. It would reduce to 1/8. And again, you don't have to do the reduction part. You can cross multiply right here at the beginning. Just your numbers would be bigger. Simplifying, there would be 24 pi. So cross multiplying, 8x equals 24 pi. It's 24 pi times 1. Divide by 8. X equals 3 pi centimeters, since the radius is in centimeters. And then 3 pi in the calculator, 9.42 centimeters.